unable to use TikTok on your iPhone because it's not working or loading? This can happen due to network issues, app glitches, or outdated versions. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not working or loading on your iPhone problems. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we move on, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try turning airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok cache. First, open up the settings. Tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Tap Offload. Again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If still you have the same issues, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved or not. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And this is how you can fix TikTok not working or loading problems on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.